sejahtera, and I would like to introduce myself. My name is SITI Aishah binti Rahim.
And my name is NAZLIEN binti Rahiman.
My name is FARIHIN MASLIHA binti HAMKA.
This is the logo of our product and our company name, which is Pana.co. Next, as the product name, our main ingredient is NYIOR, which is coconut. We specifically use the waste of coconut to make sambal.
The objective is to simplify and save the energy of customer and consumer who often lack time.
Our vision is to become a dynamic and competitive organization through a robust and stable organization. Our mission is to provide an excellent quality, fast and flexible services to achieve 100% consumer and customer satisfaction.
The product target is successful individuals, housewives, teenagers, and students.
Among the commercial features of our products are simplify and save the energy of customer and consumer. This is so because they are often lack of time or running out of time.
Next is our product. It consists a lot of function. Ready to eat is the concept of the innovation of our product. Not many people knows that waste of coconut contains protein. As we know, protein has many roles in our body, such as improve the growth of brain, prevent anemia, and also reduce the risk of cancer.
The problem statement we found was the problem of lack of time to prepare food among working individuals, housewives, students, and teenagers. We conducted a survey through a quantitative method that is Google form. So, from there, we, Pana.co, have come up with an idea for us to produce the product that is sambal NYIOR power. The ingredients contained in this sambal are grated coconut waste, anchovies, red onion, garlic, and red chilies. Our product do not use preservative ingredients.
So we have a few reviews from our customer who are buy and consume our product. Most of them are very satisfied with sambal NYIOR power from the taste, also our product packaging. We can see from here, we help them in solve their problem, which is having short of time in serve food.